Start. Challenge in this appeal is to the judgment of the Division Bench of the Allahabad High Court upholding the conviction of the appellant for offence punishable under section 20 within bracket B within bracket 2 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 bracket in short the NDPS Act bracket close. The learned additional sessions judge Allahabad had found him guilty under the aforesaid provision for having committed the offence under section 8 within bracket C of the NDPS Act. Minimum sentence of 10 years rigorous imprisonment and a fine of rupees 1 lakh with default stipulation was imposed. The appellant, who is the original accused in Sessions case number 84 of 1996, was charged for having committed offence punishable under section 20 within bracket B within bracket 2 of the NDPS Act on the basis of a complaint lodged by one K.D. Avasthi. The complainant in course of investigation came to know that accused is also possessing and selling the contraband articles at his residence. Upon such information, he and other officers started for raid. Initially, he informed about having received such information to the higher officers, namely DSP and Circle Inspector, by writing a report in a sealed envelope and sent it through one police constable. On the basis of the said report, entry came to be recorded in the police station diary at about 2:30 p.m. after calling panchas and other officers and a photographer and after undertaking other exercise required under law. The raiding party led by Mr. Avasthi SI went to the residence of accused. The door of the house was open and one person standing there was questioned, who replied that his name was Shahid Malik, the accused and the appellant before us. After introducing himself, he prepared a memorandum to the effect as to whether the accused would like his house to be searched in presence of an executive magistrate or a gazetted officer, to which accused replied in the negative. Thereafter, the house was searched in presence of panchas and a lady's purse containing 17 closed plastic small bags were found containing small tablets. Out of 17, the 16 small plastic bags contained the same weight. Plastic bags were opened and verified and weighed in presence of panchas. Photographs were taken and again they were placed in the plastic bags. It was apprehended that on account of the unpleasant smell, it seemed to be contraband articles like charas. The necessary procedure for seizure was undertaken and after the procedure was followed, the seal of the LCB branch was applied on the cover. The total weight of the contraband articles came to 4,900 grams. The sealed contraband articles thereafter was forwarded to the Director of Forensic Science Laboratory for examination and report, who, upon examination, reported it to be falling within the prohibited and contraband article under the NDPS Act, that is charas. The FSL authority had also verified the seal and it tallied with the forwarding letter and the item sent. Upon the basis of the report, the accused came to be charged as stated above. In support of the prosecution case, the prosecution placed reliance on as many as 9 prosecution witnesses and also 21 documents The defense of the accused was of total denial. No defense evidence was led. Upon the analysis and appraisal of the evidence of the prosecution, the learned additional sessions judge found accused guilty for having committed an offence punishable under section 20 within bracket B within bracket 2 of the NDPS Act, and after hearing on the quantum of sentence awarded minimum sentence prescribed, that is 10 years rigorous imprisonment and a minimum fine of rupees 1 lakh, and in default to undergo further simple imprisonment for 1 year more. Stop.